Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. A square room has a floor area of 81 square feet. Donna wants to cover it in square tiles that measure 3 inches by 3 inches. So the question is, how many tiles will she need to do this? So let's start by drawing this out. Always a good idea when we have a geometry problem without a picture is to make our own picture. And we're told that this is 81 square feet, which is going to be 9 inches by 9 inches. And we're also playing around with these tiles that, 9 feet by 9 feet. Caught myself there, right? 9 feet by 9 feet. And we're also playing around with these tiles that measure 3 inches by 3 inches, just like that. The question is, how many tiles does she need? Well, the biggest mistake that people make when they do this question is trying to convert square feet into square inches a little too quickly. Let me tell you what I mean, and I'll ask you a question. How many square inches are there in 1 square foot? If you said 12, that's not the right answer. Because think about this. 1 square foot is 1 foot by 1 foot, or 12 inches by 12 inches. In other words, it's 144 square inches. Draw that out for yourself if you need to see it, but that's the bottom line, is that the conversion is not 12 square inches in 1 square foot. It's actually 144 square inches in 1 square foot. So my solution to this potential confusion is, let's just convert the units right away, right? We know we want to be dealing in square inches, so let's just convert this to inches. 9 feet is the same as 108 inches. You can double check that on your calculator if you need to. You'll always have access to a calculator on the GRE. So that's 108 square inches, inches right there, meaning that when we multiply these together, the area of this square is 11,664 square inches. Double check that on your calculator. Well, if each tile measures 9 square inches, how many tiles are we going to need? The answer is E. 1,296 tiles. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.